In this exercise, we'll be creating a right top button on the navigation bar. On pressing that button, it will take you to the new screen where you will be having two text fields. Now, the buttons comes under UI control class. So UI control comes under UI view. Now UI control, when you interact with those elements, they do not come inside touches begin, touches ended cycle. They uses command pattern where you have to define which function to get called when you interact with those buttons. So for we'll be creating a navigation right button, and we'll tell that button that you have to call function call add person when we click on that method, when you click on that button. So in my view did load, I'll call self dot navigation controller dot right bar button. So basically it's not navigation controller, it's navigation item dot right bar button, which is of type UI bar button item. So UI bar button item, I'll say constructor, and we'll be using the constructor which takes system item style, default style, the target and the method. So I'll say bar button system item dot add. So basically iOS provides some predefined button UI. You can always use them to get a better UI experience, UI. So you don't have to recreate your plus button, you can use the default one. Target means self. Basically I want to call my own method using selector. So basically whenever you press this button, it will call self add person. So this function will get executed. You can write println to cross verify whether this method gets called when you press this right bar button on the navigation bar. So there's a button came up directly. When you press, add person comes. Now when I press this, I want to navigate to the new screen. So I need a new controller. So I'll create a new controller, say new file, Cocoa Touch. I'll say add person view controller. I'll be copying these two lines to make the transition smoother, and I'll be writing the push navigation function out here. So I'll say add person equal to add person view controller. I'll call self dot navigation controller push view controller add person with animation true. So when I click on this plus button, it will take me to the detail screen, right, which we used to do it in our. So now perfect. So now from here I'll be creating the form, and I'll be writing the save button. When I click on the save button, it should insert the data into your database. So that exercise we'll be doing next. Okay, so in next exercise we'll be creating a form in the detail page, add person view controller, and we'll be interacting with the database.